Hi, I'm Tyler from WatchDropship.com, and in this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to import our watches to your Shopify store and process customer orders effectively. Signing up and verification. First, open your web browser and visit WatchDropship.com. In the top right corner of the homepage, you'll see a Create Account button. Go ahead and click that. Now you'll see our registration form. Fill in all your business information, including your company name, business email, and contact details. Make sure all the information is accurate, as our team will review this for verification. After submitting the form, we'll begin our verification process. This usually takes up to 24 hours, and once approved, you'll receive an email confirmation. The verification process helps us understand your business identity and commitment to dropshipping. Once verified, you'll have full access to our product database and can begin importing watches to your store. Importing products to your store. Once you're logged into your WatchDropship account, let's start the import process. First, go to the product database section. Click on the CSV file option. This will open a Google Sheets file for you. At the bottom of the spreadsheet, look for the Shopify CSV sheet and click it. Now go to File, Download, and select CSV. Now, let's add these watches to your Shopify store. Open your Shopify admin panel and click Products in the left menu. Click the Import button, then select the CSV file you just downloaded. Click Upload and Preview. Don't worry about the columns. They're already pre-mapped for you. Click Import Products and wait for the process to complete. This process might take a while as your products are being uploaded to the store. Once it's finished, you'll see that all watches will now appear in your store with their descriptions, SKU numbers, images, and stock levels. Order fulfillment process. When you receive an order in your Shopify store, let's process it together. First, go to your Shopify orders and note down the watches your customer has purchased. Then head to WatchDropship.com and log into your account. In our product database, use the search field to find the exact watches from your customer's order. Add these items to your cart. Click the cart button and proceed to checkout. Now, you'll need to enter two sets of information: your billing details and your customer's shipping address. For shipping, we've made this really simple. Go to your Shopify order, copy all the shipping information, then return to the WatchDropship checkout. Look for the Paste Address section. Paste your customer's address and click Apply. Our system will automatically fill all shipping fields for you. Complete your purchase, and you'll receive an automatic invoice in your email. Once we confirm your payment, we'll ship the watches directly to your customer. And that's literally all there is to it. Really simple process, and we handle all the heavy lifting for you. You now have everything you need to start selling watches with WatchDropship. Remember to check our stock levels regularly as they update in real time, and we'll make sure your customers receive their watches directly. If you need any assistance along the way, reach out to us at info@watchdropship.com. That's it from me. Thank you for choosing WatchDropship.